In this problem, we are given that a equals to 11 over 111, b equals to 111 over 1111, c equals to 1111 divided by 11,111. Compare a, b, and c. To compare fractions, we normally want them to have a common numerator or a common denominator, but right now we have neither. So, we can observe the relationship between the numerator and denominator. And we notice that 111 equals to 10 times 11 plus 1. 1,111 equals to 111 times 10 plus 1. And 11,111 equals to 1,111 plus 1. So we can use this to our advantage. So the first method to solve this problem will be to multiply each of these fractions by 10 first. So then we can utilize the fact that the denominator equals to 10 times the numerator plus 1. 10a equals to 110 or 111. 10b equals to 1,110 over 1,111. And 10c equals to 11,110 over 11,111. Now notice that 110 over 111 equals to 1 minus 1 over 111. 10b equals to 1 minus 1 over 1,111. And 10c equals to 1 minus 1 over 11,111. Now, we can compare the values of these because these have a common numerator of 1 and a different denominator. When we are subtracting a number from 1 and we are comparing the values of 10a, 10b, and 10c, well, the smaller this number that we're subtracting from 1 is, the greater the 10a, 10b, or 10c will be. And of these numbers, 1 over 111 is the greatest because the denominator is the smallest. So this means that 10a is the smallest value. So we can write that 10c is greater than 10a is greater than 10b. Is greater than 10b, which is greater than 10a. So the comparison would be a is less than b is less than c. The second method to do this will be using the properties of fractions, and which is known as reciprocals. Taking a reciprocal of a fraction is basically dividing the fraction from 1. So 1 over a equals to 111 over 11. 1 over b equals to 1,111 over 111. 1 over c equals to 11,111 over 1,111. Now, notice that once again we can compare the values of the numerator and denominator. 1 over a equals to 10, 1 over 11. 1 over b equals to 10, 1 over 111. And c equals to 10, 1 over 1,111. So this will mean that 1 over a greater than 1 over b greater than 1 over c. Now, when we're comparing fractions, when the numerator is 1 and 1 over a is greater than 1 over b is greater than 1 over c, well, we can take an example. We have 1/2 is greater than 1/3 is greater than 1/4. So like 2 is less than 3 is less than 4. Because the greater the denominator, the smaller its reciprocal will be. So this will be A is less than B is less than C. And that is how you solve this problem using two methods.